How to leave alliance in Lost War Z survival game. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can leave your current alliance in this game. But for additional information, you must reach at least level 4 headquarters so that you can access and build your alliance support hub. By there, you can join and leave alliances available in game. So to leave your alliance, all you have to do is to tap on alliance option above mail. And then from here, you can go into settings at the lower right. Now you will only be having three specific options here like alliance, alliance list, and leave alliance. For you to leave is of course choose on leave alliance. And then the game will ask you one last time for confirmation if you would really like to leave this current alliance. And take note that it will be activated 24 hours on the day that you leave the current alliance. And for additional information as well, you may no longer be able to see the current alliance you're in where you're leaving. So you just make sure to have it confirmed first before leaving. And that's it. That is how you leave alliance in Lost War survival game.